Fermented milk thistle. The liver is a major toxin removing organ in your body, so helping it cleanse and detox is a very important part to adrenal fatigue recovery. Recent research has actually shown that this herb, milk thistle, is effective in reversing chemically induced liver damage, and it's been scientifically proven to prevent liver toxicity in cancer patients undergoing chemo. Milk thistle, also known as Silybum marinum, has been used as an herbal remedy for a slew of ailments for over 2,000 years, especially in cleansing and repairing the liver, the kidneys, and the gallbladder. And so it shows that it's actually an inert substance from the herb, especially a flavonoid called silymarin, to help protect the liver from toxins. In 1960, German researchers actually discovered that silymarin, mainly from the seeds of the plant, is a strong antioxidant and helped reverse liver damage that was caused by alcohol, mushroom toxins, and repeated use of drugs like Tylenol or acetaminophen. And some animal studies have even shown that silymarin actually protects against chemotherapy or radiation-induced kidney injury from cisplatin. So silymarin actually helps by strengthening hepatocytes or liver cells to prevent absorption of these toxins, and also helps increase protein synthesis and new cell growth in your liver. Silybinin, a component of milk thistle extract, has also been shown to be a great antidote to poisonous mushroom ingestion because of its ability to bind to liver cell membrane receptors and kick off toxins from the liver. So that's why you would commonly see milk thistle as a common ingredient in liver support formulas because of its nourishing properties and ability to strengthen the liver. Milk thistle gets its name from the milky white sap that it's released when the plant cells leaves are crushed. Though about 80% of the silymarin used in supplements actually come from the seeds of the milk thistle plant. And so this remedy, though, is not a milky substance, even though the name suggests it might be. It's readily available in standardized capsules, like as a dried herb, in liquid extract, as tinctures, and fermented liquid for easier assimilation. Fermenting this herb is actually an excellent way to improve the shelf life of milk thistle. And on top of this, fermentation helps to break down the herb in its basic nutrients for easier absorption. It also gives good, healthy support for the digestion as it's giving probiotics when it's being fermented. And it helps balances the intestinal flora. So it's important to note that those in advanced stages of adrenal fatigue might actually use this fermented milk thistle in a much easier way to strengthen the liver and help detox without worsening your adrenal fatigue. As many times dealing with liver congestion, you can have a lot of detoxification reactions. So always proceed very slowly and at small doses. Milk thistle has very little side effects when used properly. Some studies do show that it can be safe even used long periods of time. But like we said, it does affect the liver and its detoxification methods. So if you have a lot of congestion and toxins in you, you might have detoxification reaction, which could look like brain fog or joint aching or more fatigue when you are detoxing your liver out. So just keep in mind that this could happen, especially if you have adrenal fatigue. And so we talked about this fermented liver supplement called milk thistle. And if you're interested for more information, definitely give us a call and we'll be able to help you. We're here to empower you to take control of your health.